In the world of 3D printing, the quality of your mesh file is paramount. During the creation or conversion process, meshes can accumulate various errors, such as inverted normals, bad edges, holes, shells, and intersecting or overlapping triangles. These imperfections can severely impact the printability and quality of your final product. In Magix, you can fix these issues in 3 different ways: automatic fixing, semi-automatic fixing using the Part Fix Info tool, or manual fixing. In Magix, yellow and red indicate STL file errors. As you can see, there are quite a few errors in this part. For detailed error information, simply click on Part Fixing Info and then click the refresh button. For automatic fixing, you can just click the Autofix button in the Fix ribbon. After refreshing the Part Fix Info, you will see that most of the errors are fixed in a very short time. Now, let's undo that and try semi-automatic fixing. On the Part Fix Info page, there is a Follow button. You can simply click it. This tool takes care of everything in the correct order, eliminating the need to go through different steps manually. You can keep clicking it until the remaining errors can no longer be fixed automatically. Here, we see there are still 4 overlapping triangles remaining. Next, let's try manual fixing. Click the Triangle Fix tool and choose Mark Overlapping. Now we can see 2 overlapping triangles marked. Here, I use the Move Part Points tool. Click a point of a triangle and drag it to the correct position. Let's check the Part Fix Info again. You can see the remaining overlapping triangles have now been fixed. This concludes the basic introduction to fixing. If you want to learn more, please check out our other tutorial videos and training courses.